Hey everybody, welcome to the first real upload for the Copper Ranch. Today we're working on a 2012 Kia Optima. Now this Kia broke an oil cooler line, so we're going to replace the entire oil cooler, and we have some new oil cooler hoses. Everything's underneath the car. We're going to show you that, and we're going to show you the procedures in doing it. First though, you have to take off this cover. It's a bunch of 10mm bolts and Phillips screws and a couple of these little pop socket deal here. These things here, we know everybody hates these things, but they're pretty easy to take out. Anyway, you take that off to gain the entire access underneath the vehicle for the passenger side. Pretty simple. First, we gotta take the oil filter off. So let's do that now. So under here, you got your oil filter. Now hopefully I don't ruin this and we can reuse it, but you never know. Oh yeah, that came right off, nice. It should have, it was just put on. Okay. We've got our oil drain pan and we're just gonna bring it off like normal. Oh, that's fun stuff there. All right, so to get the stem off, if you look up here, that's where the oil filter actually screws to. That's the oil filter stem. If you notice, it's a hex head system to screw this off, and then this piece should come right off. Now, to get this off, I don't have a hex head that big, but I am using a T60 star bit, and we are going to get it in there and crack it loose, just like that. And then just a matter of screwing this thing off of here, just real carefully, because it's going to want to probably spill some oil, and it's probably going to drop down on us in a second. Let's get this back in place here. And, oh, all right. We got that one off. As you can see right here, you can see right where it busted right there. See it? The tube, this tube here, there should be another one just like that, and it busted right off of there. Just a crappy weld, I guess. And you always want to make sure you get this gasket off of here, because that gasket is just junk after that point. If you look, it's all folded in, and the new gasket's nice and thick, and it's ready to go. So let's go get the new one. We'll clean this off. We'll pop the new one up in there, and we'll get back to work. All right, so like I was saying, the new gasket, if you look, it's nice and thick and it's fat. The other one was flattened from years of being under there, and this specific car has over 200,000 miles on it. Plus, we got a couple of new hoses because these are cheap on various websites and whatnot. I don't think you can go to your local auto parts store. You might be able to go to a dealership and get these, but we got them online. I'm not going to say where because they don't pay us to. But we're going to go ahead and throw this thing on there, and we'll get right back with you. All right, so now that we got everything on, we lost a little bit of oil and we lost a little bit of coolant, so we're going to just check the oil real quick and see what we lost. Oh yeah, we need to put some oil in there. So we're going to drop a whole quart in there. Hopefully it'll register. Now I know we're on a bit of a slant, so it will be reading a little bit lower than it should. But I'm just going to go ahead and throw this whole quart in there. Hopefully that is more than enough. And then the coolant we will check next. So far so good. We gotta let it warm up though. Pro tip, always use a funnel. Alright, we're gonna let it go through the warming cycle. Alright, so everything worked out on the Kia. No leaks, no problems. So we're gonna put this bottom pan back on. We're gonna get it off the jack stands. And then we're gonna go ahead and check all of our fluids again. And then that one is finito. So thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you.